Now for the exciting part. Let's take a look at our final map and model. On the right hand side here, we can see our high resolution aerial map of our project, and we can zoom in to see any part of our map in ultra high resolution. We can also take a look at different perspectives of this map by looking at something like the elevation layer, where higher elevations are in red and lower elevations are in blue. We can also view the 3D model of this project at any point by clicking on the model. Pretty amazing, considering we've only taken a few photos. When looking at our maps, we can also measure areas that we're interested in by using any of these annotation tools. The location annotation, for example, shows us the coordinates, elevation, and aerial images of this location, while this volume annotation is showing us the total amount of fill volume needed to fill this retention pond. And this line annotation is showing us the cross-section of this building that's being constructed. We can even add additional project files as overlays to our particular project. In this case, this customer has uploaded a design file of their site to ensure that this site is being constructed against design. At this point, you can also upload additional media, like photos, videos, and processed panos, to be stored alongside your map and model. To perform an inspection of your site, you can use the inspection tool within the media, map, or model to automatically log, monitor, and report on the status of an issue. This user has already gone in and created a few issues on this site. Once that issue is created, you can view a thumbnail of the issue, identify what type of issue, and you can even send this issue to other systems of record, such as BIM 360 or Procore. Each issue has a unique record locator and will automatically be included in your issue report. Last, we can export all this data to our system of choice. You simply select the layer you'd like to export, the file type you need, and even your map projection. When you're done, just hit export. You can also create automatic exports that's generated every time a new dataset is available within your DroneDeploy project. These exports can also be configured to work with your existing systems and storage tools.